Hi everyone, it's Sandhya. How are you today, this morning? Um, I'm doing pretty well. Uh, I woke up this morning with my hair parted on the other side, so I just decided let's go with it. Um, so I just came on, and half the things I was trying to do before I hit the go live button weren't working. So the second I hit the button, everything started working. So I'm like, okay, I'm alone. So we're working with the cards. I'm doing the card pull, and it seems to be a gorgeously beautiful day outside. It was actually very warm in my apartment yesterday, and I'm not sure why. It was 72 degrees in my apartment last night. So what I did was, it's still on heat because I think the temperature is going to change again. So I'm just rolling with it. And so what I did was I lowered the lower base temperature to like 67. It's usually at 69, but I lowered it to 67. And this morning I woke up to a nicer, cooler room. So I'm kind of happy with that. Um, so it's very funny. Um, also, as I'm working on the experiment with the 783 Solfeggio tone, the Schumann wavelength, I had kept it on throughout the FB Live yesterday and throughout most of the day until, like, I would say, like 1 o'clock in the morning when I finally went to bed. And I found myself waking up on time. I actually did not, because yesterday I started with the no coffee. So usually when you're doing the no coffee thing, you're having like headaches and things because it's like you're coming off the caffeine high or whatever. I woke up this morning and I didn't have a headache. And actually yesterday morning and throughout the day, I didn't really have a headache. So this is starting to get interesting. So there are no like residual effects of coffee or not having coffee. I'm liking that. It's very, very good. So this is nice. This is what we have. I live in harmony and beauty. So today, I think I talked about it yesterday. Today is the monthly group healing call, and it's by donation, and it's at 3 p.m. today. And, feel in, see if you want to attend or not. And it's by your donation. So whatever you want to pay is up to you. And it's going to be on relaxation. So I was thinking that for today, we could just start it with relaxation. So for those of you who are driving a car or operating heavy machinery, please listen to the sound later. Take care of yourself, get to where you need to go and be, and listen to this later. And hopefully it will relax you. And so for the rest of us, let's already feel into grounding with our feet chakras, with grounding cords going down into the earth. And then let's bring our higher selves into our heart. And let's bring the energy from the golden sun above our heads into our bodies and into our chakra core. Hi, Suzanne. We're just starting the meditation. So ground in. Ground into Mother Earth and feel those grounding cords going down and really grounding in deep. Then we're bringing in gold energy of source from the crown of our head to the tips of our toes to our fingertips, filling in every millimeter of our energy with source energy and Mother Earth's energy, pulling up Mother Earth's energy into the physical body from our feet chakras and our feet, filling up with Mother Earth's energy from our toes to the crown of our heads to our fingertips. And this energy just comes in fast. We've been doing the work, so it just naturally, we ground easily and we pull in source energy easily into our chakra core now, pulling in Mother Earth's energy and source's energy into each and every chakra, into the core, our chakra core, spinning our chakras in the proper direction, at the proper speed spin for our bodies, and sending that energy out to all the other chakras in the bodies, just balancing the body. And now we're sending this pink gold light of source and Mother Earth's energy into the 7 energy bodies that surround our physical body, into our aura, and then out into our physical environmental space, 8 feet all around us in circumference. Allowing it to go out to the edges and feeling it out. And we look for any imbalances in our energy. And we ask all our beings of light who work with us to come in now and surround us and support us in this meditation of relaxation. And we look for any stressors. And as we feel these aches and pains, we ask Michael, and we're also bringing in Raphael. We ask Michael with his blue light and Raphael with his green light to heal those points in the body. So as Raphael heals those aches and pains, Michael comes in and removes them with his blue light. And then Source and Mother Earth light fill in those spots, fill in those areas so we're balanced in our energy. And we're looking at the blood in our systems. And we're looking at our lymph and lymph system. We're looking for any excess cortisol, or excess adrenaline that might be running through our systems and our hormones. And Raphael's energy, the green light, goes through the blood system and through the lymph system, disintegrating that excess adrenaline and excess cortisol that our cells might have produced. And they disintegrate as they heal. As we come out of any stressor and realize our connection to Source, we let that go. We let all that adrenaline, all that excess cortisol gets disintegrated with that green light. Then Michael with his blue light comes in and grabs all the disintegrated matter and sends that back to Source. And then we fill in with the pink gold light of Source and Mother Earth into those spaces and places. So our lymph is the same, and our blood is the same amount of blood. It just fills in naturally, as it's supposed to. And we concentrate now on the Schumann wavelength that's now working on the energy bodies in our system, using the natural healing tone of the earth and feeling that connection into Mother Earth, that deep, deep connection. Our higher self moves into the higher heart. And Source connects with us there, along with our ego and our inner child. And the inner child decides which part needs to go and connect with Source and reconnect with our energy, heal. Which part of us, which part of our persona needs healing now? The higher self goes back to the heart and brings that peace back up to the higher heart. And as the higher self and this inner child part see the golden light of Source and meet Source in the higher heart, Mother Earth is also there. And we realize we're on this green pasture. And we feel grounded into Mother Earth in our higher hearts. We're feeling the energy, the natural Solfeggio tone, reaching out to us from our energy bodies and connecting in with the higher heart. Bringing the Solfeggio tone even deeper into the higher heart, allowing Source, the higher self, and the inner child, and the ego to be one with the Mother. We realize and we see that we are on the universal grid of the earth, communing with Source and Mother Earth on this universal grid with the Solfeggio tone, keeping our energy balanced, keeping our body in healing, and allowing us to feel the relaxation that comes when we feel safe, when we feel supported, when we feel connected to Source, and we're being and healing ourselves. And we are connecting in and we are being connecting with universal love on the universal grid of the earth, the Source. And we see Mother Gaia walking towards us. And the inner child runs playfully towards Gaia, feeling safe, feeling loved, feeling the grass on the ground, green, green, green everywhere. Just playing in the green like a child. She takes the child and holds the child and kisses that child on the forehead. She walks to our ego and as the child snuggles up in her arms, and feels safe and feels loved and surrounded by Source and Source's love. She sees the ego, she sees the pain, and she sees her natural tone working on the past, on the energy that this child is bringing up in the ego. She kisses the ego on the forehead. And she hands the child to the ego and surrounds the child and the ego in her arms and in her love and in her energy. And Raphael comes in with his green light and helps the child see the pain And the child knows. It looks at the higher self. The higher self comes in and talks with the child, asking the child to forgive, asking the child if it is willing to let go. And that the higher self is there to protect him, to protect the inner child. And the child relaxes. The child is willing to release the pain, the situation, willing to heal it. And as the natural tone moves through the child and the ego, the child jumps naturally to the higher self and willingly becomes one. Mother Earth, Source, Raphael, surround the higher child, self, that it now is, and the ego connects with the higher self as well and allows the experience to go. And the Schumann resonance of Mother Earth that exists in her energy allows for the complete release and the complete connection. And goes into the memory and removes the trigger. And Source watches and Source loves and Source surrounds all four in this golden light. As we're there on that green plane, we thank Source, we thank Mother Earth, we thank the angels and beings of light who are assisting us and surrounding us with love and light and their support. We thank Raphael, we thank Michael, and Mother Earth returns to her plane, and source energy is flowing through our veins and our heart and our physical body and throughout all our energy bodies in our physical environmental space. And as the higher self, the ego, and the inner child move out of the higher heart, the energy of the healing and the assimilation moves from the higher heart into the heart chakra as the higher self and the ego and the inner child move into the heart chakra. And the healing moves into the heart as the higher self, the ego, and the inner child become one in the heart. And the healing, also the energy, moves into the heart and extends out throughout the physical body, accepting it in the physical body, accepting it in the chakra core and the chakras throughout the body, accepting it in our energy bodies, in our aura, and out to the edges of our environmental space. We accept that healing. Feel the energy of it being released out through our energy. Feeling it assimilate and expanding us through our peace and calm, expanding our energy containers. And feeling the relaxation, the peace, the light, the love, the safety, the strength. I am powerful. I am healing. I live in beauty and harmony. I create as I speak. I am awakened consciousness. And we feel safe. And we feel at peace. And we feel relaxed in our energy. We thank Source. We thank Mother Earth. We thank the beings of light. We thank Michael. We thank Raphael. We say thank you, thank you, thank you. Amen. So it is. Jai Bhagwan. And if you're feeling light and floaty and you're seeing lots of lights all around you, it's perfectly fine, perfectly safe. We take some deep breaths and we're feeling inside our bodies. We feel the room around us. We feel the seat that we're sitting on or the bed that we're lying in. And we're just feeling our energy. You can start wiggling your toes and your fingers and moving your body in your seat. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. And also take some deep breaths to bring yourself back into the body. Thank you all for being here. As we leave today, I'm going to say all my energy back to me, all your energy back to you. And we are in our sacred spaces and places in our own time zones. And I want to thank you for this experience with you all. It's really profound, and I'm grateful for all the questioning around relaxation, because I can tell you right now I'm feeling really relaxed. But I think we can go deeper. And I wanted to give you a daily on relaxation so you could have this as a tool. And for those of you who come on the monthly, there'll be a lot more. There's a lot more that we can work on. So it'll be longer than this for sure. But we'll work on just clearing even more deeply organ systems, and things of that type. And then we might work with the mother a little more and source. It'll be interesting. We're just feeling it all coming in. So I'm grateful for you all, and thank you so much for being here. And I love you all. Have a wonderful day. I feel so good. All right. See you later. Bye.